Right, let me just quickly talk to you about that email that just went there, the support at Paul Nicholson. This is the email field that what you set up, right? So what you basically do is if you've got an IT department or you've got a support email set up already, you forward it to the Zendesk email. The settings are all here, but you basically forward this email to this email and it will automatically create tickets sent to this email, right? So I have G Suite, but I set up a forwarding. If anybody emails support@paulnicholson.com, it forwards the email to this email, which then Zendesk pick up and create a ticket. Then you can reply, and it will reply via Zendesk as this email. So it's a little bit funky because you've all got 1,000 different types of email system. But again, if you've got an IT department, all they need to do is create an email address that forwards to this one. Right, then you have to you may have to check some settings so that you can send it back via this email. Right, so if you need it, and the information on how to do that isn't great on Zendesk, I will create a video on how to do that. If you need one on G Suite and how to set up that, because it is a bit funkier, I'll create a video. But you're effectively forwarding whichever emails you want to go to your ticket system direct to your support at whatever this default domain or whatever this initial email is with a zendesk.com. So you forward it to that and then you reply, but it replies as you. So it can be a bit funky. If you need answers on it, you can leave a comment on this video or you can send me a message, right?